like, damn, you so fine, girl, what is your sign? She say I'm a Sagittarius, I'm a Capricorn, the beginning and end. I got a friend for your friend, hey, I'm making all of this money to spend. Deal stores buying.
Hey, I don't bite. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who may or may not already know, my name is Alex, aka YELLOOBERRY. First of all, I don't even do that in my vlogs, so I don't even know why I just did that. However, this is going to be a self-care vlog, okay? Your girl stopped breastfeeding. What? This week will actually make 2 weeks. It's been very rough. I have not been attending to myself the way I should. So this is just me, you know, doing what I need to do for me. But in this vlog, you guys are gonna see me doing my nails, both fingernails and toenails. Today I'm getting my teeth whitened. Tomorrow are nails. And I think I'm gonna show you guys, like, you know, how I like exfoliate, remove hair, and the whole shebang. So yeah, right now I'm on my way to get my teeth whitened. I was actually supposed to get my teeth whitened back in December or January. However, I was breastfeeding. You see what happens when you breastfeed? Like, you take a lot of L's. I was walking around with yellow teeth because I was breastfeeding. But whatever. We are here now. So I'm able to do it now that I'm not breastfeeding. And I'm so excited. I'm going to take you guys in the process with me.
So I'm going to say your darkest tooth is shade 22.
Can I see it?
So that's gonna be this one.
Dang.
And then you wanna see your teeth too.
They're yellow.
Well, no, most people start from right here, and that's based off your darkest one. So your other teeth, so that's based off your lower canine. Mm-hmm. Your other teeth are whiter than that.
Okay.
So we're gonna see how much shade you get it from there. And I'm also gonna take it before and after so you can see that.
Okay.
This is to just dry your teeth. So we use vitamin A Vaseline as the gum barrier. So the gel that we use is hydrogen peroxide gel, the same thing that dentists use to whiten your teeth. If it gets on your gums, it can sting a little, but it won't damage your gums or anything. So at any point you feel stinging, just let me know. Okay. And it won't last long either.
Does they have a passport? Of course, why? We'd just like to sign it. Okay. There you go. Mrs. Burrs, do you believe your husband is still alive? I know he is. Did they tell her?
And you okay?
Yep.
So that's to just protect your eyes from looking at reflected light.
Okay.
So now I would say your darkest tooth is shade 14.
From 22 to 14?
Yeah.
Nice. Nice. Wait, it's from 22 to 14, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
you wanna,
Oh, look at my little teeth. Alright guys, I am back in my car. And these are my teeth. No, they are noticeably whiter. I really, really like them. Let me actually show you guys like a before and after picture. I was looking at it like, ew, yuck mouth. Nobody's teeth are really ever like white. That's what everybody with yellow teeth say, right? I don't know if you guys can like tell from here, but the top is the before and the bottom is the after. So I actually went up a few shades. I went from shade 14 to shade 22. So yeah, I'm really happy about that. And I can eat right after I'm having my service done. She did like a mineral treatment, which is allows me to like eat and drink and do whatever I need to do straight after the service. And she also mentioned that with the teeth whitening service, it's permanent. So the more you go is obviously the lighter your teeth are gonna get, because if I was to, well, I do have plans of going back again, but when I do go back, it's gonna go from shade 14 up again. I mean, not shade 14, shade 22 up. What is that how it goes? Or did I go from 14 to 22? I think I went from 22 to 14. Yeah, I went from 22 to 14. And then if I go again, well, when I go again, I'll go from like maybe 14 to 6 or 14 to 8. And the results are permanent. So it's basically just how white you want your teeth. I was gonna go for like a little bit longer, but I gotta go to the gym. It is 6:28. So she offers a bunch of services. She also offers tooth gemming services if you want to add like a cute little gem to your tooth. I might gotta do that next time. So I'll have all her information linked down below. It is in Brooklyn. The person who did it for me goes by the name of Icy Bite. Well, her name is Lauren, but Icy Bites is her company, and I am like so satisfied. But now let me scurry on home because I need to go work out, work on this booty and this butt and gut
Situation will arise in our lives, but you gotta be smart about it. Celebration with what we got. I sacrificed. I knew you could not sleep without it. Meanwhile, sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just lay down on me.
Trick, you doing a good job. Trick, you doing a good job. Trick, you doing a good job. Trick. Clearly that song lives rent-free in my head. Definitely motivation for me to finish my hair. But this will end this self-care vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you learned a thing or two. Make sure you comment down below if you have any questions. I know I didn't like speak a lot in this vlog, but yeah. So I'm just twisting up my hair in this 2-strand twist, and that is what I've been doing to achieve my bomb ass twist outs lately. So again, if you guys have any comments or questions, make sure you comment down below. I love you all. Thanks for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Say hi. Hi. Yes. Hey, baby. Come. You want no more?